Ready? Start. Biodiversity or biological diversity refers to the variety and viability among living organisms, including the ecological complexes in which they occur. So, we can include in biodiversity different genes, species, and ecosystems. In fact, it is as wide as all life. India is one of the 12 mega biodiversity centers in the world. India has 10% of the world species and is 10th among the plant rich countries. Though India has just 2.4% of world area, it has over 47,000 plant species, 89,000 animal species containing 7% of the world's flora and 6.5% of its fauna. Indian flora comprise amazing variety, 15,000 flowering plants. Zoological Survey of India has identified 350 species of mammals, 420 reptiles, 2000 amphibians, 200 2546 fishes, 67,000 insects, 1224 birds, and variety of other species of living organisms. Loss of biodiversity makes ecosystems less stable. All living creatures supported by the interaction among organisms and ecosystems make them viable. Imbalance in biodiversity therefore makes ecosystem unstable, weak, and vulnerable to natural disasters. For instance, water cycle depends on forests. Forests regulate water flows by recycling rain water. Energy cycle helps green plants to convert sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide into carbohydrates, nitrogen, carbon, and oxygen. Cycles help all organisms to live, and that is a large component of Earth's atmosphere. Carbon and oxygen provide us with a breathable atmosphere. In fact, the balance in all these cycles moderates the climate and temperatures of the earth. Thus, the natural cycles provide us with food, clean water, and air to breathe. The economic values of biodiversity are no less important than its biological value. Everything that we eat, buy, and sell come from the world of nature. Nature provides the material for our survival. Nature is also the source of many medicines. A significant proportion of drugs are produced from biological sources. The increasing population requires a large number of resources to sustain it on account of population pressure. Biodiversity of species is now vanishing faster than at any other time in world's history. Over exploitation of natural resources, pollution, and habitat destruction are great threats to biodiversity. India's present framework for conservation of these resources is constituted by laws governing forestry and wildlife like Water Prevention and Control of Pollution Act, the Environment Protection Act, etc. Nature biodiversity is a unique spectrum of Earth's ecosystems, a species, and their genes, which proves its worthwhile sustaining life itself. It has come under grave man-made threats as a result of over exploitation of natural resources, climate change, and decreasing resistance to floods and earthquakes threaten loss of biodiversity. Nature has to recover itself, and it is only man who can help nature do it. Stop.